Yeah, it's done. Okay. So I bought this kit right here that I'm about to put on. It's like a tailgate assistance. Right here, got the shock absorber. I think that's what you call this thingy. I don't know. Got that. This bar right here, and I think there's like an O-ring or something. So I'm about to get ready to install all of this. This freaking Wolf-Gen tailgate is so freaking heavy. So I think if I put this on there, it's gonna help it out so it won't break. I've been seeing a lot of people, they be breaking theirs, especially these strings be breaking. So I'm about to go ahead and put them on. I installed the, I don't know what it's called, but the thing, pointy thing. I installed this. I had to take the tailgate wire thingy off, and now I'm about to take this little cover off. I don't know what this called, but I'm gonna take this tailgate cover off and get ready to put this boy on there. So how it was before, this is how it is now, and yeah, that's how you install a tailgate assistance. Catch you guys on the next one. The next video, I'm probably going to be installing, well, taking the truck up to get the 6-inch lift kit installed. So y'all stay tuned for that one, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.